Hello everyone, welcome in geography class. Today we are going to learn chapter number 5, natural vegetation and wildlife. In the last lecture we had learned some part of this chapter, and in the last lecture we had learned about the flora fauna of Brazil, then Brazil vegetation, and after that we had learned about the Indian vegetation. Now today we are going to learn the next part of this chapter, and the next part is Brazil wildlife. Brazil wildlife. Then now listen carefully. On the basis of figure 5.4, answer the following questions. Now we are seeing figure 5.4 is here, which is about the Brazil forest and wildlife. We can see here the green color which shows equatorial forest, then faint green color which shows the tropical greenland, then the next color is showing swampy land, next hot deciduous forest and thorny shrubs and temperate grassland, where we are seeing some pictures of animals also there. Now we are going to solve the questions are here. Name the species shown on the map: condor, anaconda, golden loin, tamarin, macaw, etc. The second question is there: in which regions are these animals found? Why are their habitats found in these forests? Then we can say that the condors are found in the southern west part of Brazil. Then by the map we can say that anaconda are found in the Pantanal region. Then gold loin tamarin are found in the southern east tropical rainforest in Brazil. Macaws are found in the eastern region of Brazil. Grasslands are seen in the southern part of Brazil. Then the second answer, the question of the second, the answer of the second question, we can say that therefore condors are found seen there. Why? Because we can see the grassland are seen in the southern part of the Brazil. Then anacondas are seen in the swampy land of Pantanal, and tropical forests are seen in the eastern part of the Brazil. Therefore golden loin, tamarin and macaw are seen in these forests. Now the next question is there, that is classify the forest region which reference to their extent. Then we can say the answer of this question, that is the forest region in Brazil with reference to their extent can be classified as follows. Number one, we can say that evergreen rainforest are found in Guiana Highland and Amazon River Basin. And second, we can say that hot deciduous forest and savanna type of forest are found in the Paraguay Parana River Basin, Brazilian highland, and in the central part of Brazil, swampy land are found in Pantanal region. Thorny shrubs types of vegetations is found in the drought quadrilateral in northeast region of Brazil. Such type of answers we can say of these questions. Now color both. The bracket is here, the box is here, and some questions upon there. The first question is there, that is in which country do equatorial forest occupy the greater area? What could be the reason behind it? Then we can say the answer of this question, that is equatorial forest occupy the greater area in Brazil, and equator passes through the north part of Brazil. On the other hand, India is far away from equator, and we can say that the region near equator in Brazil receive perpendicular sun rays for most of the days in the year. The region near equator receive the maximum sunlight and the highest rainfall throughout the year. Such type of answer we can say that. The next question is which type of forest found in India are not found in Brazil? Then we can say that Himalayan forest found in India are not found in Brazil. Third question, which type of forest found in Brazil are found in the in India too. Evergreen forest, semi-evergreen forest, thorny forest and shrubs vegetation, mangrove, etc. type of forest found in Brazil and found in India too. The next question is there, that is, in which country the greater diversity of vegetation is found and what is the reason behind it? Then we can say the answer of this question is a greater diversity is found in Brazil. There exist differences in rainfall and temperature in various parts of Brazil. As its effect, a greater diversity of vegetation is found in Brazil. The last question, that is, considering the climate and vegetation type, in which country will forest-based occupations flourish? Then the answer of this question, we can say that considering the climate and vegetation type, forest-based occupations will flourish in Brazil. Okay, now the geographical explanation is there. Now listen carefully which type of geographical explanation is there. A greater diversity in wildlife is found in Brazil than any other country in the world. तो पूरे वर्ल्ड में ब्राज़ील में जो वाइल्ड लाइफ डाइवर्सिटी दिखाई देती है वो अदर किसी भी कंट्री में नहीं दिखाई देती. इन द स्वैम्पी एरिया ऑफ द पैंटनाल ह्यूज एनाकोंडाज आर फाउंड. तो जो पैंटनाल का स्वैम्पी एरिया है, दलदल वाला एरिया है, वहाँ पे बहुत बड़े एनाकोंडाज देखने को मिलते हैं ब्राज़ील में. इन ब्राज़ील गुआना पिग्स, देन क्रोकोडाइल्स, देन एलिगेटर्स, मंकीज, प्यूमाज, लेपर्ड्स एक्सेट्रा आर फाउंड. तो ये सारे एनिमल्स ब्राज़ील के अंदर दिखाई देते हैं, जैसे कि ये गुइनिया पिग, उसके बाद क्रोकोडाइल, एलिगेटर्स, मंकीज, प्यूमाज, देन लेपर्ड्स, ये सारे एनिमल्स दिखाई देते हैं. अमंग द फिश वराइटीज मेनली स्वॉर्ड फिश आर फाउंड इन द सीज, वाइल पिंक डॉल्फिन्स एंड पैरानाज आर फाउंड इन द रिवर्स. तो वाटर के अंदर, रिवर्स के अंदर हमें ये सारे मतलब स्वॉर्ड फिश, उसके बाद पिंक डॉल्फिन और पिराना, इस तरह के फिशेस वहाँ पे दिखाई देते हैं. देन कॉन्डर्स विच आर ह्यूज इन साइज एंड फ्लाई हाई इन द स्काई. तो इस तरह के बर्ड, कॉन्डर्स जैसे बहुत बड़े बड़े बर्ड्स वहाँ पे दिखाई देते हैं जो साइज़ में बहुत बड़े होते हैं और आसमान में बहुत ऊंचाई पे वो फ्लाई करते हैं. Various type of parrots, macaws and flamingos are major birds found here. Then तो बर्ड्स में ये सारी मतलब बर्ड्स भी वहाँ पे दिखाई देते हैं, अलग अलग टाइप के. वहाँ पे पैरट्स हैं, मकाउज है, फ्लेमिंगोज है और अदर मेजर बर्ड्स भी वहाँ पे दिखाई देते हैं. मिलियंस ऑफ इंसेक्ट वराइटीज़ आर आल्सो फाउंड हियर. तो छोटे छोटे जो इंसेक्ट है वो भी वहाँ पे बहुत ज़्यादा दिखाई देते हैं. जैसे कि as a result of these varieties, the wildlife of the Brazil is very rich in diverse. तो इसी वजह से हम कह सकते हैं कि ब्राज़ील की जो वाइल्ड लाइफ है उनमें बहुत विभिन्नता है, डाइवर्सिटी हमें दिखाई देती है. उसके बाद डिग्रेडेशन ऑफ एनवायरनमेंट इज़ हैपनिंग ड्यू टू इलीगल स्मगलिंग ऑफ वाइल्ड एनिमल्स. तो यहाँ पे कुछ गलत बातें हमें दिखाई देते हैं, जैसे कि वाइल्ड लाइफ एनिमल जो है, वाइल्ड एनिमल जो है उनकी स्मगलिंग, उसके बाद स्लैश एंड बर्न एग्रीकल्चर रोका, डिफॉरेस्टेशन, पोल्यूशन एक्सेट्रा, ये सारी चीज़ें इस डाइवर्सिटी को वहाँ पे ख़त्म कर रहे हैं. ब्राज़ील इज़ फेसिंग दिस प्रॉब्लम्स टुडे. इस तरह के प्रॉब्लम जो है ब्राज़ील में दिखाई दे रहे हैं आजकल. मैनी endemic species are on the verge of getting extinct because of these issues. तो बहुत से सारे जो प्रजातियां हैं जानवरों की या वनस्पतियों की वो ख़त्म हो रही है ये सारे प्रॉब्लम्स की वजह से. नेक्स्ट है, डू यू नो सर्वे डन इन 2016 हैज़ फाउंड दैट द अप्रॉक्सीमेटली 500 and 831 square meter of land under the forest in Brazil had already degraded इन दैट ईयर. तो 2016 में वहाँ पे एक सर्वे किया गया, वहाँ पे 5,831 स्क्वायर मीटर की जो लैंड है उसका डिग्रेडेशन ब्राज़ील में दिखाई दिया, मतलब वो लैंड वहाँ पे ख़राब हो रही है. नेक्स्ट है इंडिया वाइल्ड लाइफ, विच वी विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर. ओके, बाय.